How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix stringing in Bambu Studio. So there's multiple ways to do this. The first thing that I suggest is to dry your filament. This is the most common issue for this one. Wet filament is the #1 cause of stringing because moisture boils inside the nozzle, creating tiny explosions that ooze plastic. So you want to dry your filament using a dedicated filament dryer or food dehydrator at around 50 to 55 degrees Celsius for around 5 to 8 hours before printing. So you want to go ahead and specifically search on how you can do this. There's a lot of ways, but this is the #1 way to fix this problem. From there, we want to lower down the nozzle temperature. So navigate through the edit preset for your filaments. In here, you have the nozzle temperatures. So you could just go ahead and edit this for something like dropping it by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. So for example, dropping the PLA from 220 to 210. Now that's going to be an example only. From there, you also want to tweak retraction setting. So in the process menu, basically, we want to make sure that the retraction is enabled. So it's going to be on the same setting. Just click on the edit preset on your filaments. And from here, you want to navigate through the extruder and ensure that the retraction is enabled. So it's going to be this one. Now, for most Bambu Lab printers out there, the default retraction is perfectly tuned around 0.8 millimeters to 1.2 millimeters. If stringing persists, you can slightly increase the retraction speed up to 40 to 60 millimeters per second or increase the retraction length, but be careful not to exceed 2 millimeters to prevent clogging. And another thing that we could do is to adjust the travel setting. This will prevent the hot nozzle from dragging over areas where string could go ahead and form. So in here, you want to navigate through quality, and depending on your slicer view, you could just click on others right here. Now we want to simply find a specific setting called avoid crossing walls. So just scroll all the way down from quality, advanced, and then you have this option right here. Avoid crossing walls. Just make sure to turn it on, and from there you should be good to go. And if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.